guys, it's Aakriti. Today we are making some painter. We're gonna put toiler, and we're gonna paint the thing, and then it go up. We're gonna put it outside the window. So we have this thing. I eat it all, but not me, my mommy. So it finished. It's golden, no funny. Because my mom, I throw it up and I have an idea to make it this. So we have this. I'm going to show you everything. We have this stick up thing. And we have the tools. You can use this better. Number 2. I don't know what it is. You can also use your Lego. I have different colors. Yellow. You can take yellow or red. You can take only, my favorite color is blue, so I take this. Or you can take a toy, come get in D-Mart. My favorite come is not huge real, because it's very small. I use it for my dolls. So, we have this, we have this, because it will fall down, we put this. So, let's start the video. So we have this open and we're gonna put it in. That's enough? I think it's enough. Go in, don't be out. Okay. You can see this, guys. Now that you can see this, guys. See this? We put it like falling down. Now we're gonna use some water. I don't know what the ingredients are, but I'm trying to my best. I'm going to put it right here. And now mix it up. Yes. This how the gray. See, guys. See it. Just mix it more. I need some more water. Let's put it right here. Do they have more sugar? Kidding, guys. I look very confident in my gown, because my gown use this, I can see that. In my toilet, I can see that too. So I'm done mixing it. So I'm done, I don't want to use this tool. So we're gonna point here. Let's cover with the toilet tin. That's what his name. My hand is gonna get sick when I did something. You use this and you'll fight very much. I think you're gonna fall in my hand. That's why I'm doing that. So, we're gonna use the stick glue. I think it's going. Wow, you're my Johnny. No, not nothing. Bye. The glue. Look at this. No, my favorite. I covered it up, guys. Look very move. Now let's put it down. Let's put back home. You can put any design like this, like this, like this. You can also do it with Lego. And then you can also make tattoo with our good look. See? We are done tattooed. Now we're gonna wait. You know how we make with this? We make with the tools. So we just clean the table. This is dirt. It's cracking a little bit, but don't worry. So now we're gonna put the back paint. My button, my painting. Look at this. Afterward, when it's back, we're gonna put them golden. Blah, 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 blah. I think I need a big butt to make it fat. Guys, we cover all the back. Now Now I'm gonna put some golden. Let me. Okay. I can see the in that part over there. I can see the red here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put some golden part. So we are done. Guys. So this looks hard. It looked inconvenient. You can pan it. So let's pan. So when we put tile, it would take time to see the flower how it look like. So I'm gonna use the parent, make with wood. Yeah, make with branches. And this is not that real. It could like go down. It really fall down. So thank you for watching. Comment below. Bye.